what's up guys? Welcome to today's video. We're going to Murphy's, taking my 2003 CR 125R out to rip. I think it's gonna be a little bit muddy because it's been raining the past couple days here in Texas. But nonetheless, I think it should be pretty fun. I need some motor straps pretty bad because these ones suck. But yeah, today's video will be fun because I am not very good on a dirt bike, and I'm gonna film it, and I have the GoPro, so I'm gonna get some chest or some POV footage. And I'm going with a bunch of dudes today who are actually good on a dirt bike, and so I think it'll be funny. And if you guys don't follow my Instagram, you probably still wouldn't have seen it because I haven't showed a new one yet. So I guess I'll give the YouTube the first little sneak peek. But I went and bought myself a King Ranch F-150, and I absolutely love this thing. So this is the first new, like this is how I unlock it. That's how I unlock it. Pretty crazy. This is the first new vehicle I've ever had. Before this, like the newest truck I had was my 1994 F-150. And so going from that to this is a huge change, and I love it. It is super cool. You can see the, oh, that seat's up, but you can see the King Ranch interior, King Ranch seats. Just a bunch of cool features. The seats massage you and all that cool stuff, so I am enjoying it. I love it so far, no complaints. This one's got the 3.5 EcoBoost, so it's a twin turbo V6, and it's quick, dude. Makes cool turbo noises. And because I was gonna get the 5.0 originally, but I like this one. I think it's nice. Does exactly what I need. I can throw the bikes in the back, and it's just nice to drive. All my other trucks, even the Bronco, just because it's so loud and so old, it's so hard to drive. If that makes any sense to anybody. I'm sure you guys who have old cars also understand. But it's just hard to drive for long periods of time. It's loud. Sometimes the race seats are actually pretty comfortable, surprisingly. But like my old truck in the 94, it was a bench seat, which is cool, but it didn't recline, so I'm stuck sitting up the whole time. Just little things like that. It's real slow. So I'm always on the gas, and I just feel like it just takes a lot more to drive it because I can't just sit back and chill and cruise. And this one I can cruise 70 miles an hour all the way down to Murphy's. Don't even hear the road noise. Play some music. It's pretty cool. I like it. So we're gonna go to the gas station and get some drinks and food for the track and gas for my bike and truck, and we'll be on our way. Alright, map to Murphy's. We got some healthy snacks. Got some goldfish and powdered donuts. That should be pretty good. Got some waters, of course. Now we're ready to go. Alright, Kawasaki down. Honda's good, KTM's good. Honda's good. Gas is good. Cole's gonna send it, and I'm gonna film him. He's gonna do some whips on the big main track jump that I think you guys have seen before, so I think it'll be pretty sick, but we'll switch to that right now. Alright, we're in the middle of the track now. So, coming up on this big jump. Cole's gonna send it. He's pretty damn good. There he goes. back on the 125 and take a couple laps with the GoPro on before I have to go. So I'm gonna throw it on right now and take some laps. Should be pretty cool. Made it back to the 125. Alright guys, just loaded up, putting everything away.
and we are good to go. All right, heading out. Sick day. Feel better on this bike every time I come out, and I'm excited to finally get to the point where I'm like just having fun at the track and I'm riding fast and stuff. One day it'll be like that, but thinking about getting a 252 stroke after riding everyone else's 2 strokes today. I love it. Peace.